Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Morgan City, local and long-distance movers near me. When you're moving within the 100-mile radius, it's considered a long-distance move. A long-distance move can be challenging as moving to a completely different country or state involves a lot of overwhelming tasks. Moving shouldn't be the thing that you need to worry about. Let 3 Movers handle the moving while you focus on other things. We have nationwide recognition that will make it easier for you. Our moving experts are trained to provide you with the most peaceful moving experience, and we have been serving our clients for more than 20 years. Therefore, we know what our clients expect from us for the move. The following service we provide to make your long-distance move easier: smart storage solutions, full moving services insured with all required licenses, free quotes, packing materials, and professionally trained movers. A local move is a move that involves traveling within a distance not exceeding 100 miles. However, many people believe that a local move is not as overwhelming as a long-distance move. However, irrespective of the distance, every move is challenging and requires planning and organizing to be successful. If you want to streamline your local move, hire a local moving company like 3 Movers. We have a team of professional moving experts that know how to handle your belongings with care. We can complete your local move in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Morgan City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.